All right.
All right. The way we like to finish the show out, guys, is to share something with you we like to refer to as the Whissel Widget of the week. This is something that we utilize in our business that either helps us save more time, make more money, or just have more fun. And with that said, Brian, we've done over 100 of these now.
Yes.
So Brian's really reaching today on what he's going to share. Go ahead.
I'm curious what yours is.
I got a good one today.
Mine's decent. So I got these recently. These are dry erase markers. I have a little whiteboard in my office. And the great thing about these dry erase markers is they, on the cap, have a little magnet and a little eraser. So it's literally all in one. I know, it's not a great widget. It's like $8, I think. But I actually bought them, and I really like them. I'm the type of person that waits until the dry erase marker goes completely dry before I get a new one. And so having new ones, it's kind of nice and exciting to have. Whatever. That's what I got.
Yeah,
Dry erase
you're
markers.
Done, dude. Get out of here with that crap.
You know, it's still better than the neck.
I can't wait to do a photo shoot. I'm going to use that neck thing ASAP.
Okay.
Whatever. What's yours?
All right. The one I got for you, this is really for those of you that are running teams within your company. One of the things that I guarantee your TCs are telling you about is how bad your agents are at writing up contracts. They're probably constantly telling you about your agents screwing up contracts and missing check boxes and writing in the wrong thing or leaving things blank that should have been filled out. And, you know, over the time we've tried to like, hey, let me just make a template for you and I'll send it and I'll export it from my account and you can just import it into your account. It seems so freaking easy, right? It's just like, here you go, guys. Here's the new template. Like, just import it. Here's the exact video. Here's the written step-by-step instructions. Just go ahead and import it. And I believe we get about a 10% success rate on something that is about a 15-second task. So rather than just beating your head against the wall over and over and over again, one of our core values is be the solution. And being the solution is getting the team version or the broker version of zip forms. So what that allows us to do now we can make the template and just with one hit of a button automatically share the templates for things like purchase agreements and listing agreements and counter offers and all of those things. And they're automatically shared with the entire company. So no longer do we have to export them out of our account and then they have to manually import them into their account. Zip form, Teams account, broker account, whatever one it is. That's going to save us a ton of time. It's going to save us a ton of headache, and it's going to help our TCs be more efficient because we're going to be giving them more complete contracts that aren't missing anything. And more complete contracts tends to result in more accepted offers because I know when somebody writes me an offer and it's a hot mess and there's a bunch of shit that's unchecked and, you know, written wrong, the wrong stuff and the blanks and all these things that should have been filled out. I'm taking that into consideration when I'm deciding, you know, which offer that we want to go with when I meet with my seller. So, zip form, broker account is going to help us out a lot.
All right, that's a pretty good one.
Yeah. Or, I mean, you could get a dry erase marker. Those are cool too.
Yeah, but these are like $8. They save me time. Whatever. Just wait for my next one. It'll be a doozy. All
Cool,
right.
guys. Well, hopefully you got a lot of value out of the show today. If you have questions you want to have us answer on a future episode of the show, you can go to thewhisselway.com. You can join our Facebook group on there, ask us questions, subscribe to the YouTube channel or the podcast, join our referral network, or find about upcoming events like our Media Mayor Mastermind, which we're going to have to start planning here, Brian, although we might get like shut back down again tomorrow. Who knows anymore? We will get a Media Mayor Mastermind event put together because we got a lot of new stuff we want to share with you guys. And I got a new video idea I want to share with you, Brian, too. So
I'm terrified.
all right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into the show. Again, if you enjoyed it, if you're watching on YouTube, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell so you get notified when we drop a future episode. And if you are on iTunes, make sure to subscribe and give us a little review. Those things help us out a ton. Thank you so much for watching this episode of the Whissel Way podcast.
See you guys next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.